Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Andrew with Fat Ass Glass. Today's video is an awesome collab that we just started. Is with PuffsPendyMelts out of California. These are some amazing candles. I'll show you the label. So we just got a collab going with them. These are all 100% soy candles with a wood crackling wick. You see they put a lot of love into these candles. They're all hand poured, odor eliminating, smell amazing. We just dropped about 100 new flavors. They're really fun flavors, really fun candles. Fruit Paradise, and this one, for example, smells amazing. The one I got burning right here is Beach Bliss. You're probably saying, Andrew, who cares about candles? And I'll tell you why you should care about these candles, because they are mystery treasure candles. They have a item in there. So I'll show you here. You see this wrapped up into the aluminum foil. So each one of these candles has an American-made pendant or smoker's edition accessory like chillums, dabbers, carb caps, things like that. So you can choose what you want, what flavor you want. This cap with this sticker, and it's obviously labeled at fatassglass.com. This is the smoker's edition, as you see, 21 and up. The pendant edition has the tie-dye sticker on the top. So really cool. Again, they put a lot of love into these candles. Shout out to PuffsPendy's. Been working with them for a little while now. This is our first collab, and I think it's awesome. So again, they smell amazing, and I've probably burnt like 10 of these myself, I would say, and I love it. I've given them as gifts to my mom, my sister. I never know what people want. Friends, you know, I've given these out, and who doesn't want a candle, right? And personally myself, again, I love it. I've pulled some really cool things out of these pendants, and the smell is incredible, and it again eliminates odor if you're a smoker or you got pets or blah 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 blah. So on the bottom it says don't burn these candles for over 4 hours. Right now we're going to do a quick quote-unquote unboxing on this. Obviously not unboxing, but uncandling, whatever you want to call it. So really important. Let me see if I can find a candle with a good example. So some of these you can see how far or how deep the aluminum goes. Of course I didn't do this ahead of time. I guess you can see it here a little bit. So this poking out right here is the aluminum. Can you see it from the top? No. What Puffs recommends is that you don't pull out the prize premature, and the reason being for that is it's almost like frozen into the wax, obviously, and you don't want to burn yourself or break the glass trying to get things out. So they say not to burn these candles for more than 4 hours, obviously, for, you know, fire hazards. They're in quote-unquote tight mason jars. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna try and pull this one out. Don't recommend doing this. This is really too premature to do it, but for the video and my excitement, which probably most people feel, I'm gonna do it. As you see, this is poking from the top. I've been playing with it for a little bit. This is the Beach Bliss Smokers Edition, and it's a pretty big aluminum piece. I'm guessing this is either gonna be a dabber or some type of chillum. So let's see what we can pull out. And let's see what we cannot burn down, because I'm not trying to start a fire here. So be careful with candles, guys. You heard it from me first. Yeah, let's see what we can pull out. So again, I mean, the best thing you can do is just wait. Obviously you don't want to use your fingers to pull anything out. I got some tweezers, so we'll try that. Again, I kind of messed with this in advance, so it's going to be a little bit easier than normal. But let's pull it. Some type of American-made product right here, and it's really cool. They actually tell you who makes it. Oh, I love it already. So I typically try and kind of drip some of the wax off, because I think they smell really good and I don't want to just waste it. But again, be safe, guys. Don't take any fire advice from me, please. All right, so I'm just gonna hold this for a second, let it cool off. Again, obviously this was just in burning hot wax. It's gonna be hot, so don't touch it. Can I say it again? Don't touch it. But here we go. Put it there, wait a couple seconds. Let it cool off a little bit. I got gloves on too, as you guys obviously know, so it helps a little, but let's see if I can just get to it quick. All right, cool. So we got a sticker in here. I see Sky Mage Glass. Shout out to Sky Mage Glass. And let's see what it looks like. Just gonna cut in. This one looks pretty cool. I think it's a dabber, that would be my guess. Nice. All right, so let me get some of the wax off. I'm making a mess here. Just trying to get it a short video. Beautiful Millie dabber. Came out really cool. Let's see if we get a focus. Skull. That is awesome. I love it. Double-sided. Really cool. Let's see what else we got here. So Sky Mage Glass, they say the value of this is about $35 on this dabber. I'm gonna go follow Sky Mage right after this. But these pendants value up to $2,000, same with the rigs. So they put up to $2,000 worth of American made glass in here. On this Fat Ass Glass edition, I didn't mention this yet, I probably should have mentioned it first. They actually have a rig token in here. So on the Smokers edition, you get the token, you DM PuffsPendy's, and they're gonna send you a free American made rig out of it. So really cool. These retail at $39.99 at fatassglass.com. I mean, I think the candles alone are worth that, but with the American made piece, oh my God, I love these. So really cool, guys. Tag us, let me know what you get. Yeah, cheers. Thanks PuffsPendy's, thanks Sky Mage Glass. Thanks everyone for watching. Fat Ass Glass on all social media, interest-free payment plans available. You name it, we got it. Cheers, guys.